So guys, if you are getting a RAM out of memory error of Windows 10 or Windows 11, it usually means Windows has run out of virtual memory. So to fix this issue, try this simple step. Now we will increase the virtual memory in your Windows, so Chrome has more memory and stops showing out of memory error. This is the real root fix. Press Win plus R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to Advanced tab, under Performance, click Settings. Go to Advanced tab, under Virtual Memory, click Change. And uncheck the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drive. Select C drive, choose Custom Size and set value based on your RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, initial size will be 8192 and maximum size will be 16384. If you have 16 GB RAM, initial size will be 16384 and the maximum size will be 32768. And if you have a 32 GB RAM, initial size will be 32768 and maximum size will be 65536. I have 8 GB RAM, so I am putting this value. Click Set, OK and restart your PC. After starting your PC, the problem should be fixed and you should be able to run your application smoothly. That's it. Stay safe.